So whatever you eat or drink or whatever you do, do it for the glory of the Lord. Hey yummy, welcome to today's video. And today I share with you how to make the sumptuous, incredible Ghanaian light soup with fresh fish and baked turkey. I'm Yummy Cash and you're welcome to this channel. Let's start by adding the smoked turkey in the saucepan, and I have washed it very nicely. Now blend those ingredients, which is onions, half cube of Maggi, 3 spice mix, ginger and garlic with water. Now when you're done blending all those ingredients with water, add it to the meat and add little salt to it. Now I'm adding just a little bit of salt to it because the turkey was smoked with salt. Salt was smeared on it, so it contains salt. Cover to steam for 5 minutes. Now 5 minutes later, take all the turkey from the pan and set it aside. This is just to ensure that the turkey does not overcook because it is already smoked, and when it's in the soup for a long time, it's going to be very soft, and that is not what we are going for, right? Yes. Now after taking everything out from the saucepan, add little water to it and then add in your fresh fish. I am using fresh mackerel for this recipe, but then you can use any type of fresh fish that you have. After 5 minutes of steaming the fresh fish, add back the turkey and then add the carrot juice. You want to add in some onions and tomatoes. Now cover to simmer for some time before adding in the rest of the ingredients. Now this carrot juice, it contains of blended carrots and pepper. That's the only thing. I cooked it for some time and then blended it with water. Hey yummy, if today is the first time on this channel, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Now I added about half tablespoon of tomato paste or tin tomato and then remove all the fresh fish out from the soup and set it aside, just to ensure that the fresh fish does not overcook. You know, fresh fish is very soft. Now after, let's say 10 minutes or 15 minutes, depending on how high your flame is, take the onion and the tomato out from the soup and add in some of the soup to it and blend it smoothly. You see how so simple this is? With your smoked turkey and your fresh mackerel fish, you are good to prepare a delicious Ghanaian light soup. Pour it back into your soup. Now add back the fresh fish and taste for salt. Cover and lower your flame for it to gently simmer till it is well cooked. I'm adding in some fresh cut paprika and cover it to simmer. Now serve yourself and don't forget to subscribe and do everything in love. I'm going to see you in my next video. So then, always remember to do everything in love. Stay blessed, be kind, and share this video. Cheers!